So we're gonna play these games, bro. Just give me my money back, man. I don't even want the product no more. I want my money back full. Fuck it. I don't want no fucking store credit or nothing, bro. Give me my money back, bro. I'm finna put you on blast, man. If this shit don't make no fucking sense, man, you got your product back. I ain't got shit, bro. You got all my motherfucking money, bro. Okay, y'all want to play these motherfucking games? I got you, bro.
All right, I'm going doing a video here because I saw we got blasted again on Just Wanna Bang, which don't want to call it the customer, but he decided to put it up in his name, Chris Steinmaster Smith, which is Christopher Smith, who bought a UC-31 B stock, sent pictures over of a multimeter on it showing it's not holding charge, the battery's not working.
Doesn't work like that.
Well, one, it's a UC-31 Ultra Cap. Two, you have to put it in different modes to get it charged up, and then it is normally in line with other batteries because it's an ultra capacitor, not a battery.
Say it again.
Not a battery.
Do you understand?
Not a battery.
What does that mean? Well, I will also provide multiple links on YouTube to people that have installed these, and these UC-31s have been sold for years. Now, going further as we got blasted, back and forth with customer service, that should have told him then, but there are directions even in our website, there are directions on the Ioxis site, and there's multiple YouTube videos, but either way, opened up a return to get it back, which we just got back Wednesday night. That is the 19th at night. Now, I don't know about you all, but large companies are not really capable of just managing returns instantly. Most returns take anywhere from 24 to 48 business hours to properly be processed. Obviously, as of Monday the 24th, which would have been 48 business hours, decided to blast us on I Just Wanna Bang, and Big Jeff's piece of crap, and blah, blah, blah. And my customer service even said, we're going to get it processed for you, even though it hasn't even been fully checked, because I could tell you the UC-31s, according to his pictures, well, I don't even know if he knows how to hook it up, and he keeps relating and calling it a battery. But I don't work under extortion. If you want to blast us on social media, more than welcome to. But don't do that to think you're going to get things done faster, especially when you don't even know how to use the item yourself. So, there is my response to the multiple posts and him saying I won't be buying from Big Jeff Audio ever again. And the original post was, well, since Big Jeff is bullshitting about a replacement Ultra Cap, what if something works just as good? Well, sorry there, Chris. There's not much that works as good, especially in that price range. Because the regular Ultra Cap from Excess Power are $400 or $500 and more than why the UC-31s are so popular. And besides that, they have built-in Bluetooth, which you need to connect to put this in a charging mode or let me bring it up actually on our website, because if you go to bigjeffaudio.com, we're pretty informative on our website. And if I go to UC-31, and I even look at the product I'm buying, midway down after it explains it of being a ultra capacitor, it even says, the jump start mode will initiate charge sequence, collecting energy from the battery, that's the other part you need. Once the Ultra Cap is charged, it will assist in low batteries to provide power to crank the engine. Above that, it also talks the Bluetooth app can also be used to turn the unit into run mode and maintenance mode, which from what I'm reading in the communication between you and my customer service, you had no talk of even doing anything with that. And finally, besides sending pictures in, you were unable to even send us video of it, which shows me that you're not that technical even using a phone. Either way, for all you out there, don't just go to social media, especially if you are wrong, to try to blast a company that in this case was about to process the return in about 48 business hours during tax time. And no, we don't consider the weekend actual working hours. So there's my response. And I'm sorry, Chris, you don't want to buy from us again. Make sure you research what you are buying to connect it properly. Because the people that say, I've been doing this for 30 years, and are putting a multimeter on a UC-31 out of the box, not even in any modes of like run mode or maintenance mode or jumpstart mode, would be the reason why it's not showing 12 volts. There you go.
Alright, going live here. It sucks I even got to go live about this to even protect the name. Recently, I Just Want to Bang, who has me blocked so I can't post, had a customer of ours that bought one of these, UC-31, which you all know about because thousands and thousands of these have sold over the years. But Chris decided to just take a multimeter to it out of the box, which I posted up pictures of, and say it's not holding the charge, it's DOA. And then even back and forth, we even said, well, we'll pay to get it back, and we got it back literally last Wednesday night, and as of yesterday, which wasn't even 48 business hours, decided to blast us on a Just Want to Bang, which my customers reached out to him to explain we're still going to take care of him, and he took it down and then decided to put up another one. But here's how a UC-31 works. It is not a battery, it is an ultra cap. It also has Bluetooth, which means you have to have an app. And when you get it, there is installation instructions that you can find online in about 1,001 videos. So this does not just work out of the box, nor can you put a multimeter on it because it's not a battery. There are modes to do, which you can see here. It is clear, showing battery voltage 13.08, and it is ready to charge. There is a run mode, a maintenance mode, and an error mode, which this one does not have an error mode. So Mr. Chris on Just Banging, there is nothing wrong with your B-Stock Ultra Cap because they were all tested before they shipped. And even here is showing you ready to run and in maintenance mode. So this is how it works. So for all of you, before you start to blow a company up on social media, get your facts right. And in this case, we cannot process returns overnight. And even 48 business hours, when we get tons of returns every single day and have to process them, is great times, because I know some companies that take weeks to even look at your item. But even better yet, don't go to social media blasting with all the facts. So, Mr. Chris Shine, or whatever you're called on Just Want to Bang, here is your Ultra Cap that was hooked up in line with a battery source and a app installed which connected perfectly, and there is plenty of instructions on how to use this. So no, this was not DOA. This was considered, I don't know what I'm buying, and I didn't even look on YouTube or Google, which is very easy to look up to know how to install it. But here you go. I am not replacing it. So if you would like yours back, you will pay to ship it back, seeing how I paid to ship this DOA here, which works perfectly good. Why am I so upset? Because I go home after a long day and I don't see all the social media, so I got to hear from everybody else. And I got somebody who ordered a product, got it shipped on time, came in good condition, and just doesn't know how to use it. And instead of figuring out how to use it, decided to mess with us. And we have tons of communication for 2 weeks where we just finally paid to get it back. And then when we get it back, we're not moving fast enough for him. But the reality is there was no reason to even get it back because it works perfectly fine. Where was the box this came in? Oh, he walked away. Huh? Okay, well, so there you go, Chris, and for everybody else out there, before you start blowing a social media company up and say how bad they are and they're screwing you, I don't know how we're screwing you when we paid to get something back that works perfectly fine. You just have to know how to use it. Maybe if you put some time into looking up the product or the directions of the YouTube video, as you do in blasting companies on social media groups, you'd be having this installed in your vehicle. So for everybody else, no, you cannot take a UC-31 out of the box and just put a multimeter on it. You have to go through the steps, which are here. And the app is so cool, it'll tell you if there's an error or not. And this one does not have an error. It is working perfectly good. So for you all that are in I Just Want to Bang, that seems to just have a problem with me over the years, please take my post that I put up and or this video and put it in there. For the people out there that get called out from them doing whatever they do, trying to make Big Jeff is bad. No, you're bad. Have a great day. Okay, so in final notes, I don't work off extortion. I don't work off people threatening to go to social media, especially after they've already went. And in this case, This guy now, which I said, hey, I'll ship your battery back. You're going to pay the shipping because we've already shipped it to you for free, paid to ship it back, and after all this drama, you're going to pay me the $30 to ship it out. Or you can have store credit minus the restocking fee. But as you can see in here,
So we're gonna play these games, bro. Just give me my money back, man. I don't even want the product no more. I want my money back full. Fucking restock. I don't want no fucking store credit or nothing, bro. Give me my money back, bro. I'm finna put you on blast, man. If this shit don't make no fucking sense, man. You got your product back. I ain't got shit, bro. You got all my motherfucking money, bro. Okay, y'all want to play these motherfucking games? I got you, bro.
this guy's going all the way on, and not once has he even apologized.
Now you know.